Hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. This video is gonna be a very interesting, beneficial video or all of the beginners, for all of them who want to learn the English language very quickly, very easily. Yes guys, because guys today I am gonna talk about a very important topic. Yes guys, a very important topic, and it is also very demanded. Yes, you listen right, I am also telling you the truth, and this topic is how I learned the English language without the grammar rules. Yes guys, I know that a number of people that will be shocked that what, without the grammar rule, how it will be possible. But guys, I want to say to everyone, nothing is impossible, because impossible also tell us that I am possible. That's why guys, I am gonna tell to everyone that how I learned the English language without the grammar rule. If you just think that, oh no, without the grammar rules, without the grammars, without the part of speech, without the tense, without knowing them, without learning them, we can't speak and also we can't learn the English language, then guys, today I am gonna prove you wrong. Yes, so guys, I will request to everyone, listen and also watch this full video till the end, and you are gonna know that what is the easiest way to learn the English language without the grammar rules. Yes, so guys, let's start the video. I will try my best to explain you everything A to Z, and you also have a responsibility. This responsibility is subscribing our channel, hitting the bell icon and liking this video. So now let's begin our topic. Let's start the video. Remember one thing: listen English, read English, write English, but speak English with Prateek Burman. How I can recover it? Oh my god. Oh, hi guys. Now the video started now. How oh my god. Yes. So guys, the thing that I want to say to everyone, it is the stories. Yes guys, without the grammar rules, if you want to learn the English language, then the only solution is the stories. Yes guys, because story is the quickest, easiest way to learn the English language. For an example, you can take me. My name is Prateek Burman, and I started the English speaking journey in class 2, and now I am in class 7. You can feel the long distance of my journey, and in my journey I just read the stories. Yes guys, I just read the stories, and now also I read many funny stories, many interesting stories. And I think for only the stories I can speak the English language now, because stories gives me everything that I need. Because story is the best source of learning the English language. If you just read a story and then if you just copy the whole story, then it will be so beneficial. Because a simple story also can give us a many phrasal verbs. A simple story also can give us many stock words, stock sentences. And I am guaranteed that if you read and if you just practice every story from your textbook in English, then you don't need the grammar rules, because it is obvious. In a story we can see many grammar rules also, like the tense, from, and also the part of speech, all of the words linking, and also narration. Everything we can get from a story. And now there is also some rules you have to follow, otherwise the whole practice of the story will be lost. Yes guys, you listen right, and now the rules are the explaining. Yes guys, as I tell to everyone, just practice the story. What is meaning of practicing a story? If you are thinking practicing means just taking the storybook and reading the whole story just 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and then after just reading it, my English is developed, then guys, you are wrong. With reading the story, you have to do some fun with the story. like explaining. Yes guys, after reading a story you also have to explain it. Explaining is the best way to practice the story, and I think without the explaining it is nothing. Because when we read a story first and then if we can explain the story 2 times 3 times also, then we are gonna develop many things. Yes guys, we are gonna improve the English language very highly. Yes, you listen right, and I am also telling you the truth to you. But I know that explaining means to sharing and also describing a happen, a story, and also something. It can be anything, with your friends, with someone, or with any time, with anything. It is called the describing. And also, if you want to describe something, then you have to use your own words, your own sentences. So that's why for to explain a story, it will be very hard. And I also explained my first story in class 5. So now the question is how we will develop our thing. If we can't just explain a story, then how will we develop? Then guys, the best way I will tell you that copy a story. Yes, just copy a story. It is the best and it is the right way to practice a story. Because I also know for to explaining we have to make more and new sentences by our own self. Okay, by our own self. But if we just can't make the sentences, then how we can explain something? That's why guys, I will tell you copy. When we will copy a whole story and then when we will just speak the story, then all of the sentences, all of the stock word will store in our brain. Okay, it is a very thing. If you are thinking, oh, the copying is the wrong thing, no, I can't copy anything, then I will say you wrong. You are totally wrong. Because copying is not a wrong thing, it is a art. Okay, many people also, or every people can master the copy. Read the story first and then after reading it, you will automatically can copy it. If you are thinking now what do we have to do for to copy a story, then guys don't worry. If we read a same story more than 20-30 times with focus, then the story will automatically copy. You also can automatically copy a story. So it was the thing, remember. And after copying many stories, after storing many sentences, you can use them in anything, in any time, with anyone. You can use the sentences, the stock words in a conversation. It can be in a video, it can be in a speech, it can be with anyone. So stories is the best way. And also with the story there are some rules also you have to follow. So now I am gonna describe them and it will be very helpful for you. So let's go. Okay, done. So now guys, my second tip also very important like the first one, and it is also so beneficial for everyone, and it is very important like the stories, and it is the quotes. Yes guys, the small quotes. Here also can see there are many quotes are there, and also they are so motivational, and also the quotes is the best source of motivation and also confidence. Now I am making this video and I am also getting the motivation from the quotes because they are so beautiful. Like beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. If you focus on your problems, then you will have more problems. But if you focus on your possibilities, you will have more and more opportunities. Like that is also very beautiful, and it is one of my favorite that they laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. They means the people. Okay, I am also drawing the video and I also do many outdoor videos. There are many people also, I always watch them. They laugh at me and also they think that what the boy is doing because I am doing different thing from them, And it is very important, guys. If you want a success in your life, then do something different. Okay, if you also just ask to anyone in your society that can you tell me how I can learn the English language, how I can speak the English language, everyone will just give you a one answer, that read the grammar rules, practice the grammar rules, past tense, present tense, future tense, all of the part of this you need to understand, and then just practice it. But no, guys, do something different thing. Why I am just giving you and why I am suggesting you to make another way to learn the English language, because I also watch it and it is very helpful. It helps me a lot also. So remember, always try to do something new from the people. It can be anything, but it will be very helpful for you. Don't think that if the people are doing something, I also have to do that. If we know that the thing is also wrong, but I have to do it. But no, guys, read the stories and the quotes also. As I tell you, a single quote also can fill yourself with many motivation and confidence. And you also can learn number of things with the help of the quotes. Like, I also take a simple quotes like, one best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one best friend is equal to a library. In this small quotes means you also can tell it like a moral. In this small moral there are many words and many sentences are there. And this quote is written by the APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Now, it is not been that reading the quote says it will be helpful for you. But no, just take a single quote. Like as I take that beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. It is a quote. First of all, take a quote and then just try to explain the quote. Yes, guys, explain the quotes. Reading also will help you, but the explaining a quote will be very helpful. Yes, guys, very helpful it will be. Okay, so just take a quote and then try to explain it. What is the meaning of the quotes? Why the poet or why the writer just write these quotes, and how the quotes give us motivation. Like beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. What is meaning of the quotes? Beautiful days means our success, and you also can't achieve your final goals with just sitting in your home and then just reading something or doing something else. You have to do hard work, otherwise it won't come. Like the thing also, beautiful days means our success won't come to us very easily. We have to do the hard work, means we have to work for it. So it is the simple quotes, and you also can explain the quotes very deeply. Or the first practice that I will tell to everyone, it is that write all of the sentences in your notebook first, in your mother tongue. Yes, guys, write the first. Take a quotes and then under the quotes write the sentences, write the words that you think they are important in your mother tongue. And then after writing all of them, translate them in the English language. And also the best way I will tell to you, that explain the quotes to your friends. It can be your family members, it can be your relatives, it can be your friends. Just try to explain them. And I will tell to you that the quotes is the second step. First step, as I tell you, the story, and now the quotes. Listen to my words, just practice these two things, then you will develop your speaking very quickly, very easily, without the grammar rules. Hey, I am here. So guys, my last and also very important step is the what did you do yesterday and what is your daily routine. Yes, guys, they are very important, because for to learn the English language, the very important thing is the past form and the present form. Because whenever we speak something, whenever we do some conversation with our friends, it can be with our family members, it can be, and also when we give a speech, we just only talk in two tense. Yes, guys, in two form. One is the past form and one is the present form. Okay, present form. So in the past form, when we just describe and when we explain something that happened with us yesterday, or some happened, or also some incident, then we need the past from, and also like the stories, and it can be many things. When we just explain to our friends, describe to our family members, and also when we speak them, then we need the past from. But on the another hand, the present from is very important. Like think you are doing some conversation with anyone, then the present form is very important. Now I am also speaking you, I am giving all of the trick and tip to you. Now also I am talking in the present form. So past and present form, they are very important for us to know, and it is the third level of the English language. The first level was the story, and then the second was the quotes, and now the third level is the past and the present form. So guys, I will tell to everyone, for the past from, you have to practice that what did you do yesterday. Yes guys, if you want to develop your past from, then you need to know what did you do yesterday. You have to practice what did you do yesterday. Now what is the meaning of what did you do yesterday? You don't have to do anything, just go in front of your mirror or call your friend and then just try to explain in front of them that what you did yesterday, means all of the thing that you have done yesterday, just explain them. And if you want to develop the present from, then you have to practice the daily routine. Yes guys, what is your daily routine? It is also a practice. What is your daily routine mean? What the thing that you do every day, the necessary and also the normal thing that you do every day, you have to just explain. I also made two separate videos with this topic. What is your daily routine and what did you do yesterday? So I will give you the link in my description. You can watch the two and the both videos from there, and they are so important. So now guys, this video also in here. I hope that I would understand you everything very easily and also very perfectly. So now I'm gonna end this video. So thank you for watching guys, and I will say again and again to you, if you like this video, then guys please subscribe. I also observed that many people, they are just watching our videos regularly but they are not subscribing. Why guys? If you won't subscribe our channel, then you also can't get all of our notification of videos. So please subscribe, hit the bell icon and like this video. Give us a very beautiful comment, supportable comment. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Remember one thing: listen English, read English, write English, but speak English with Prateep Burma.